This tutorial will be going over pre-built APIs in Zettablock and how to use them and extract what you need for your business logic. So once you've logged in, you should be able to see all of the pre-built API projects here at the top of the page. So let's take, for example, SUI. And we have some examples here for you to get you started. So let's say we want to look at transaction details for the specific digest. This is an example query of how it would look like. Or let's say we want to get the first 10 checkpoints. This is an example of how it would look like. Obviously, also you could use where clause to specify where you want to start from, or a specific digest, let's say, that you want the checkpoints for, as an example here. And let's also look at Ethereum. Ethereum is very popular. So get token balances here is a very popular API. And here we have an example where you can get the first 10 token balances. And once you've done that, then you could, let's say, filter by specific address here and get for a specific address the token balances or a specific address contract address combination, because you can filter in both of these fields. We also have historical transaction details. So if you want to get a specific transaction hash, you could use this. Obviously, you can also query all the other tables like traces, token metadata, token balances, ETH transfer, logs, etc. These are just examples to get you started. And then here you can also get the token prices for the last 24 hours for a specific contract address, for example. So these are the GraphQL pre-built APIs that you can access directly from the app. And there's also REST APIs that you can access directly from Zettablock documentation. So you could go to docs.zettablock.com or simply click on the docs page here and then click on pre-built APIs. And let's take as example the attestations pre-built API for beacon chains. And the way to kind of run that is you could just try it here. And then let's say I'm interested in the specific slot number. And once I figured out what kind of parameters I want for the query to run, then I could just copy paste this and go ahead and use it in my production query and pass them in programmatically. Let's say I want more results per page, or I want a different slot number, etc. So this is how you can use pre-built APIs in Zettablock. The options that we offer are GraphQL APIs and pre-built APIs that are pre-built REST APIs that are available in the documentation page for you to try out. Obviously, we also have custom pre-built APIs that you can go ahead and create from the build button, write your SQL, and then use that SQL to create an API. And we have a tutorial for that too that will be linked below.